start with 1/3 of a cup of just regular tap water and 1 egg. And then I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of just regular vegetable oil. And then we're going to put that all over the egg as well. Once that's on our egg, we're just gonna give it a nice crack. Get that in there. Then we're getting a box of this dark chocolate fudge. Just put the whole box in. Just give this a really good mix. Mix it, just don't over mix it. You don't want a really overworked brownie mix. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna start making our layers. So a layer of these double nutty Nutter Butters. Oh, that one's cracked. You know what it means when you see like a cracked cookie? It means it's mine. So I'm gonna set that aside. Go ahead and layer these. And look, we got 1 cookie left, so that's for you, camera dude. And I've got 1 cookie for myself for later. Our next layer is gonna be, I love Toll House chocolate chip, and it comes in a tub. So amazing. So go ahead and take your ice cream scoop and just, we're gonna put the whole tub right in here. Now, if you can't find these tubs, I got this at Walmart. I think most of my ingredients come from there. If you can't find these, you can get those like pre-made cookie dough tubes, or, you know, just the ones that have like the squares. If you do that, then go ahead and get 2. If you have a tub, see, get a whole tub. Put that in there. And just kind of smooth everything out to 1 layer. And look, you don't even have to really use a spatula. You can kind of, you know, use your hands. Just go with the palms of your hands. Once I've done that, bring in that brownie mix that we made earlier. Goes all over the top. Obviously, this is not a dessert for diabetics, but who knows? Maybe you can just have like a small spoonful without overindulging. That gets spread out on top as well. Just get this last section right here. And yep, this is a greased pan. I sprayed it with some vegetable oil earlier. Okay. Then we're gonna start adding these Reese's. They're coming up with like all these new flavors. So these caramel big cups have a little bit of caramel on the bottom. And so go ahead and take these out. And just stick them right inside. One more thing. Reese's Pieces. Do you say Reese's or Reese's? I love Reese's Pieces or Reese's Pieces. I think it's also a Gen X thing because they came out when ET came out as a substitute for M&Ms. I don't know if you guys know that story. ET, I guess they wanted to do a deal with M&Ms, and they were like, nah, I don't think that movie's going to do so well, so they ended up going with Reese's. And look what happened. Now everybody thinks of ET every time they see these candies. Last up are these honey roasted peanuts. That gets scattered right on top as well. Just to remind everybody that it's peanut butter. Okay, and once that's in there, this looks so pretty already, but this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll do a little taste test. Look at how this turned out. All those Reese's cups are melty. I'm gonna put some caramel syrup on top because I like caramel chocolate peanut butter goodness. And those peanut butter cups, they have caramel in them too. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. You guys are always so upset with me when I dig into the middle, so I'm just gonna do that again. Because I think that whoever does the cooking should have the first option. Oh, look at that! So many layers of goodness, I can't even. Look at that. Okay, take some extra creamy whipped cream. That right there. Give this a taste test. I love peanut butter, so I like peanut butter more than I like chocolate, so I think this is gonna be amazing. Oh yeah, the candy pieces are crunchy. The peanut butter is so peanut buttery, it is so good. And then a little bit of Nutter butter on the bottom. Make sure I get a little bit of that giant Reese's cup. Yep, my mouth is peanut buttery, so delicious. I hope you make this at home.